Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the best tools and gadgets so you don't have to. And today, we've got something truly powerful, efficient, and built for the modern home kitchen. Meet the best food processor stainless steel bowl on the market, the BUMET electric food processor and meat grinder. Let's start with what makes this machine stand out. At its heart lies a beast of a motor, 800 watts of pure copper power. That's not just a number, it's a promise of consistent performance and long-term durability. Whether you're grinding dense meats or pureeing soft vegetables, this motor handles it in 10 to 20 seconds flat. No overheating, no stalling, just smooth, reliable processing. What makes this food processor truly kitchen-ready is its smart dual bowl design. You're getting not one, but two 12-cup bowls, one in stainless steel and one in thick, durable glass. That means you can prep meat in one and blend a veggie puree in the other without cross-contamination. These are big enough for large meal preps, but not bulky to store, which is perfect for everyday use. Now, let's talk blades, because the real power of a food processor is in how it cuts. This BUMET model comes equipped with not just one set of blades, but two triple-layer spirals. That's 6 food-grade stainless steel blades in total. This unique setup ensures that everything you drop in is chopped thoroughly and evenly, whether it's nuts, meat, or herbs. No more uneven chunks. Just uniform, professional-grade results. But here's something you don't often see on processors in this price range: an LED timer. This feature gives you precise control over your processing time. You're no longer guessing if you've over-pureed or under-chopped. The LED timer tracks exactly how long the motor has been running, making repeat recipes and fine textures easier than ever to achieve. And let's not forget about cleanup, because if a processor is hard to clean, it's just not worth using. BUMET makes it easy. The stainless steel bowl, the glass bowl, and the blades are all detachable and dishwasher safe. That's right, no hand scrubbing, no fuss. Just pop the pieces in the dishwasher and you're done. This processor features a secure safety lock system to prevent accidental starts. It's especially reassuring if you've got kids in the kitchen or just want that extra layer of protection. Now, although this powerhouse is not intended for commercial use, for home chefs, pet owners, or parents making baby food, it's a kitchen essential. You can chop, mince, crush, mash, and puree just about anything. From meat patties to garlic paste, this machine does it all. To wrap it up, if you're searching for a dependable, powerful, and versatile food processor, the BUMET electric food processor is an excellent choice. Dual bowls, a powerful 800W motor, high-performance blades, and a thoughtful LED timer make it one of the most complete packages out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this processor sounds like it could change your kitchen game, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best products for your life. See you in the next one.